Good afternoon, my dear friends. Myself Mahesh Kote, and today we are going to discuss regarding competitive part of polymer chapter. Okay, and we are going to discuss the polymer chapter. What are the questions asked in previous last 34-year question papers in NEET examinations? See, first question. This was asked in NEET 2020, guys. Which of the following is a natural polymer? So options are like this: cis-1,4-isoprene, polybutadiene styrene, polybutadiene, and polybutadiene acrylonitrile. So what is natural polymer, guys? Which is obtained from the nature, which is obtained from the natural plants. We know already in polymer chapter we have already studied the natural polymer. You are getting only one, that is natural rubber. Nothing but neoprene. Neoprene is made up of isoprene. See here, butadiene styrene. This is the copolymer prepared from butadiene and styrene. See this one, polybutadiene. It is prepared from addition polymerization of butadiene. Butadiene acrylonitrile. Nothing but, you know, already studied. This one is a pan polyacrylonitrile like that. Butadiene and acrylonitrile is prepared. So what is remaining option? This one, polyisoprene. Polyisoprene is made up of ice taken from the natural rubber plant. So this is our option number A, cis-1,4-polyisoprene, prepared from isoprene. What is the isoprene unit, guys? Like this. So whatever you are having butadiene, you have to write butadiene, first position and third position, double bond. Second position, what is that? Isoprene means we are getting CH3 unit. The remaining H, yes, before already over. Here you write 1H, here you write 2. This is the isoprene unit. Polyisoprene is taken from this monomer, and this is obtained from the rubber tree. So first one is the correct option. This is asked in the NEET 2020. So just note down this. We will talk about the second example. See, guys, this is the second question, which is asked in Odisha NEET 2019. The polymer that is used as substitute for wool in making commercial fibers is. So what they are asking, the polymer which is used in the preparation of commercial fiber. So options are melamine, nylon 66, polyacrylonitrile, and vinyl. And as you know, vinyl is a rubber. It cannot be used in the fiber preparation. Then nylon 66, you know, nylon 66 is made up of what? Nylon 66 is made up of adipic acid and what? 6 carbon you have to take, right? So adipic acid and hexamethylene diamide. And that is also not used here. Melamine formaldehyde resin is used in the preparation of unbreakable crockeries. Then which one is remaining? This one. So polyacrylonitrile is used in preparation of commercial fiber. I hope you understood. Vinyl is used as a rubber, synthetic rubber. It is used in the preparation of printer rollers. Yes, it is used in the preparation of printer roller, as well as you know already the rubber common uses like conveyor belt preparation, gasket preparations. This vinyl is used. And melamine formaldehyde is used in the unbreakable crockery preparation. That means crockery means patragalu ante nodi kannadadolage. So that is what crockery is used in the preparation of unbreakable crockeries. Preparation of unbreakable crockeries. The nylon 66 is made up of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamide, and this is not used as a fiber, remember. So what is remaining? Polyacrylonitrile, which is used in the preparation of fibers. Hence, option C is a correct answer. This is question number 2, which is asked in Odisha 2019 NEET examination. Now we will discuss third example, just to note down this. So third question already appeared in the screen. You see, guys, regarding cross-linked or network polymer, which of the following statement is correct? This is asked in NEET 2018 examination. See, guys, among following, which of the cross-linked network regarding cross-linked network polymer, which of the following statement is incorrect? They have asked. Incorrect means which one is wrong? They asked. Okay. आपको पता है ना cross-linked polymer क्या होता है? देखो, they contains covalent bonds between various linear polymer chain. Yes. आपको पता है example of this phenyl formaldehyde resin. In that you are getting the branching due to linear chain, nothing but novac. That novac undergo cross-linking with covalent bonds forming our phenyl formaldehyde resin called bacalite. Correct? So this is the correct option. This is correct one. Then see option B. They are formed from bi and trifunctional monomers. आपको पता है जो भी आप क्रॉस लिंक्ड पॉलीमर लेते हैं ना, क्या चाहिए उसमें? उसमें चाहिए आपको बाइफंक्शनल monomers. That is nothing but condensation polymers. Correct or not? Yes. Next, this is also correct. Let's see option checking. Examples are bacalite and melamine. 100% correct. Bacalite and melamine are also formed by cross-linking between the two polymer chains, linear chains. Last option you see, guys, they contain strong covalent bonds in their polymer chains. So they will contain a covalent bond, but in between the linear chain of the polymer, but not the polymer chain. Hence, option 4 is a wrong answer. Hence, they have asked choose the incorrect statement. So option D is the correct answer. So this is asked in NEET 2018. Yes. Note down this question. We will discuss fourth question. This is a question number 4. See, guys, which is asked in NEET 2016. This is asked in NEET 2016. See, guys, which of the following structure represents nylon 66? आपको पता है ना nylon 66 कैसे बनते हैं? Nylon 66 बनवाने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? देखो ना नेम 6,6. So nothing but we have to take two bifunctional monomers which are having 6 carbon atoms and 6 carbon atoms. We already studied what we have to take it. First we do the preparation. Come to know that. Yes, guys, we want adipic acid and also we want hexamethylene diamide. See, guys, what is adipic acid? You take 6 carbons, 4 carbons here, COOH here, and also COOH here. What is the name of this one? This is our adipic acid. Okay, when you take adipic acid and treat it with hexamethylene diamide. What is hexamethylene diamide? You write like this. This is how many times? 6 times and NH2. Then what happens? This H, this OH eliminate as a H2O molecule. H2O बाहर निकल गए तो क्या रह गया आपको? देखो COH as H is also removed by another molecule of monomer. Then OCOCH2 4 times, CONH CH2 6 times, NH goes like that only. So finally what we are getting? See, guys, yes, you read on this. OCO, yes, OCO single bond. CH2 how many times? 4 times. CH2 4 times. Next, CO is there. Write CONH. What is that? CONH. This N को क्या चाहिए देखो? CH2 6 times. CH2 6 times. And lastly, NH. NH. It will continue. N number. How many number? N number we want here. So it is present in which structure? You see, guys, in all the options, if you choose it, this one. Correct or not? CO, CH2, CO, NH, CH2, NH, like that continue. This O also eliminated because you see, guys, OH is there, this OH, another molecule, H from the nitrogen of the, yes, hexamethylene diamide, they eliminate as a water molecule and forming that. We already studied this one. Correct or not, guys? This is our hexamethylene diamide. This is adipic acid. This is nylon 66. What is the name of this one? Hexamethylene diamide. Hexamethylene diamide. So what is eliminated? H2 eliminated. Hence we can say nylon 66 is the condensation polymerization product. It comes under condensation polymer. Then which option is correct, guys? Option number D is the correct answer. This question was asked in NEET 2016. Question number 4. Now we'll discuss question number 5. See guys, this is question number 5. Natural rubber has alternate cis-time transconfiguration, random cis-time transconfiguration, all cis-configuration, or transconfiguration. So natural rubber, this question was asked in NEET first 2016 question paper. So we have already discussed that natural rubber is obtained from the rubber tree and the monomer present in that is isoprene. Correct. And isoprene आपस में मिलके क्या बन जाता है वो natural rubber बन जाता है. Correct. So how to make that? You are always getting cis form of configuration. Cis polyisoprene is called natural rubber. How it is actually forming? See guys, this one is our isoprene. How isoprene looks like? Beta-diene, you write it. A second position methyl. This is our isoprene. Yes. So this is H2. What will be for remover? We will write H. We will write H. This is our beta-diene. Okay. So what happens when these beta-diene combine to form polymer? 2-methyl beta-diene is called isoprene. Isoprene combined to form a polymer. That polymer you are getting the cis form only. Cis form means you will get a double bond and the double bonds on one side only you are getting the substituents. So that is what cis, polycis isoprene. So that is nothing but your natural rubber. See guys, for example, we will talk about this. How you are going to get it? Just write lines. So I am having second position. First one, second position methyl group, and here you are getting CH2. Okay, with this prop, I am getting dipped, so that can be written like this. That is what CH2, CH1H. This is again same thing. 2-methyl, yes, 2-methyl beta-1,3-diene only. Beta-diene only, but I am written in this fashion. Correct? Now you take another molecule of monomer, same thing, but in opposite direction. You just turn like this, you will get like whatever you are getting. You see guys, this one here, what happens? Double bond CH2, and here methyl group. What about this CH group? Double bond CH2. Correct. Then finally, what we are getting, guys? This bond sit here. This bond is taken by carbon, and carbon electronegativity will attack on this H2. As a result, this will sit here. These electrons are taken by this carbon, and this carbon will increase the child. So finally, what you are getting? You are going to get like this. So double bonds here. So going to get like this. See, double bond, only one side you are getting substituents. So one side substitution means it is called cis. So all are cis configuration. This will increase the child like this one. And I will get it like that. Okay, so this is all our cis configuration. I hope you understood. So natural rubber is nothing but a polymer of isoprene, polyisoprene, that too cis polyisoprene. Remember this. Cis in the sense of one side of the double bond you are getting substitutions. Only same side of the double bond. Here double bond is there, same side you will get the substitution. Double bond is there, same side you will get the substitution. This is our natural rubber. Following my point. So all are cis configuration. This question is asked in NEET first 2016 examination. Now we will see the next question. Question number 6, guys. No doubt this. This question number 6, guys. See, this question is asked in NEET 2016 only. So from this chapter NEET 2016 we are getting 3 questions. Correct. See guys, caprolactam is used for the manufacture of Teflon, Terylene, nylon 66, nylon 6. Which one is the answer, guys? Yes. We already studied Teflon in the sense nothing but poly tetrafluoroethene. What is Teflon? Poly tetrafluoroethene. Correct. That is commonly called as Teflon. Then what is terylene? Terylene is made up of, yes, terylene is made up of tertiary acid and ethylene glycol. Yes, tertiary acid terephthalic acid plus ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. See guys, polytetrafluoroethene means it is made up of fluoroethene, tetrafluoroethene, and terphthalene is made up of terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Next one, nylon 6,6 is made up of, just now we have studied, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamide. So it is made up of what? Adipic acid and hexamethylene diamide. Hexamethylene diamide. See guys, last one, nylon 6 is left. This is made up of caprolactam. What is that? Caprolactam. How it looks like means you are going to write 7-membered ring in which one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen. Like this structure of caprolactam. 1, 2, 3 members over now. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7-membered ring. One of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen, and next carbon you write double bond O. The remaining one N in valency of the N is 3. Already 2 bonds are over. You write 1 H. The remaining valency of the carbon is 4. 2 valencies are over. Remaining you write H2, H2, H2 like that. Following the yes, H2. This is our caprolactam. How this nylon 6 is prepared? Just break this bond. Just you are getting the straight chain polymer of caprolactam is called nylon 6. Hence, option A, D is the correct answer. This question was asked in 2016. Just note down guys. See guys, question number 7. Which of the following is an example of thermosetting polymer? This question was asked in NEET 2014. And see guys, they are asking thermosetting polymer. What is thermosetting polymer? Thermosetting polymer is cross-linked polymer. Once you given a shape to that, further reuse or recyclable cannot be possible. When you heat it again, it break down into small pieces because of high cross-linking. Correct or not? So they will not again recyclable or reusable once you heat. Once you given a shape to that, it will remain as it is. See guys, for example, these are the options are given here. What is this one? We have studied chlorine is there at the second position. Double bond you are observing. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons you are observing. Nothing but it is 2-chloro-beta-1,3-diene monomer that is prepared in this one, this polymer. This polymer is prepared from 2-chloro-beta-1,3-diene. Hence, what is the name of this polymer? This polymer is nothing but neoprene. Yes. What is this polymer guys? Neoprene. What is this polymer guys? See, second question is very 1, 2. Nothing but vinyl chloride. This polymer is prepared from vinyl chloride. Hence, this polymer name is PVC. What is the name of the polymer? PVC. Then what is this one guys? 6 carbon you are observing. 4, 5, 6 carbon you are observing. So what is the name of this one? Nylon 6, 6. Nylon 6, 6. Then what is the name of this polymer guys? See where you heard this. CH2OH, nothing but phenol formaldehyde resin. In that, first we are getting straight chain polymer called as novalac. What is the name of this one? Novalac. That novalac will undergo cross-linking to give bakelite. Correct or not? I told first only thermosetting polymers are having cross-linking between them. Yes. What is the polymer this one guys? This is our novalac. So this further undergo cross-linking to give bakelite, which is thermosetting polymer. See guys, the neoprene is an elastomer. Remember, neoprene comes under which category? Elastomer. Next one, PVC comes under thermoplastic. Thermoplastic. Why it comes under thermoplastic guys? You know, when you are doing regarding PVC pipe, when you heat it, it will become softer. When you cool it, it will become harder. You can give any shape for that. Hence, this comes under thermoplastic polymers. Then what is nylon 6,6? Nylon 6,6 comes under fiber. Which category guys? Fiber. Then last one, novalac. Novalac undergo cross-linking to give what? To give bakelite. which is our required answer. Thermosetting polymer. What is this one? Thermosetting polymer. So I hope you understood. Hence, the option B is the correct answer. This is question number 7. This was asked in NEET 2014 examination. We will discuss 8th question. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. Yes, we will discuss the next question, guys. Question number 8. See, guys, question number 8. Which of the following polymer I just give polyester background? So when you are getting polyesters, guys, when esters are formed, when acid and alcohols are treated with each other, so you will get the ester. Correct. So dacron in the sense nothing but, so when you add terylene, that terylene itself is called dacron. Terylene is made up of tertiary acid and ethylene glycol. Correct or not? Acid, alcohol gives ester. See, guys, first option they have given propylene and this para-hydroxyphenol is given. Para-hydroxyphenol and propylene. This will not form terylene because we want ester. Esters are only formed when acid and alcohols react with each other. See, this is the wrong answer. Benzoic acid and ethanol. Ethanol is given, but we want terylene, polyester, nothing but dacron, which is made up of bifunctional monomers. Here, benzoic acid having only one COH group. Ethanol is having only one OH group. These are monofunctional monomers. We want bifunctional monomers. Hence, this one is also wrong answer. Third one you see, tertiary acid and ethylene glycol. Correct. Tertiary acid in the sense dicarboxylic acid you are getting. 1,4 benzene acid is called tertiary acid. And what is ethylene glycol? CH2CH2 OH. That you are getting. This is our answer. How you are getting terylene, guys? See, you just take your, what is this one, guys? This is your tertiary acid. It comes like this. C-double-bond-O and OH. This is our tertiary acid. And what we have to take? We have to take ethylene glycol. What is ethylene glycol? You take like this. This is our ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. See, guys, one of the H here, one of the OH here, eliminated. What finally you are getting? Finally you are getting this one entire thing. Again OH is eliminated. Finally you are getting C-double-bond-O. Yes, with some benzene ring. Here C-double-bond-O. This is attached to O, CH2, CH2O. O, CH2, CH2O. So what you are getting? You see the group, guys, COO. Here are COO. Nothing but esters. This name of this polymer is polyester. Nothing but dacron, commonly called as terylene. Tertiary acid plus ethylene glycol is called terylene. This is called dacron. Hence, option 3 is a correct answer. This question was asked in NEET 2014. I hope you followed. Just if you want, you can take it. Question number 9, guys. This was asked in NEET 2013. Nylon is an example of. So nylon comes under which family, guys? Nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. Both are of polyamide family. So these are prepared from in that your polymer you are getting amide. Correct or not? Yes, see, guys. Polyamide, polyethylene, polyester, polysaccharide. So which option is correct then? Polyamide is a correct answer. Hence you are getting for a 9th question, option number A is a correct answer. Polyamide. Why you are getting polyamide? Because in the nylon you are getting amide as a functional group. So you know preparation of nylon can be done by adipic acid and hexamethylene diamide. In adipic acid, OH and one of the H from the nitrogen of the hexamethylene diamide is removed. You are getting amide bond. CONH bond is present. Hence, nylon 6,6 and nylon 6 both are present in polyamide category. This is asked in NEET 2013. Then we we will discuss question number 10. See guys, question number 10. Which is the monomer of neoprene in the following? So neoprene is nothing but synthetic rubber which is prepared from chloroprene. That chloroprene is nothing but the monomer present in the neoprene. Correct or not guys? So they are asking monomer of neoprene. Chloroprene in the sense you take a butadiene, in butadiene, second position must be chlorine group. See in which of the following negative? Here CH3, second position, nothing this one. CH2 double bond CCl, CH double bond CH2. Nothing but 2 chloro with prop built. First and third position. 1, 2, 3, 4. First and third position double bonds are there. Second position chlorine group is there. Hence your answer is chloroprene. So this is our monomer present in the neoprene. What is the name of this one? You can commonly call it as chloroprene. And what is IP's name? 2-chloro beta 1,3 diene. 2-chloro beta 1,3 diene is called chloroprene, which is present in our neoprene. This question was asked in NEET 2013 and 2003. So now here completes guys. This is regarding this session. The further questions we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you.